आज की बात नीता अंबानी ने ऐसे की जो आपके दिल को छू जाएगी। अगर आप भी अपने सपने सच करना चाहते हो तो ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखें, क्योंकि यह एक ऐसे सोच है जो आपको अपने लाइफ का गोल पूरा करने के लिए इंस्पायर करेगी।
At the heart of everything we do is our commitment to our children and to excellence, compassion, gratitude, respect, and empathy, values that shine through in all that we do. I would also like to thank and congratulate the pillars of our school, our heads, teachers, staff, and all our bus didis, lift bhaiyas, housekeeping didis and bhaiyas, canteen staff, nurses, and security teams who are always there with a smile, welcoming and looking after our children. Today, I would also like to thank another very special parent and grandparent who is in the audience today. Someone without whose constant guidance and motivation, none of this would exist. My inspiration, my biggest supporter, my cheerleader, my husband Mukesh.